Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the inner door trim to access the lock assembly. Use a trim pry and 10 mm socket. Once screws are out, lift the panel away and detach electrical connectors so you don't short anything. Make sure to peel the vapor barrier slowly to preserve the seal. This keeps moisture out later. While you're in, test the lock switch with the connector unplugged to confirm actuator behavior. If the actuator fails to move, you've identified the part to replace next. Once the panel is off, unbolt the actuator and carefully disconnect the linkage rods. Note how clips align so reassembly is exact. Inspect rods and plastic clips for bent or broken parts. Most lock failures are mechanical rather than electrical. If the actuator looks corroded, bench test it with a 12V source to verify motor response. Replace any damaged clips and clean pivot points. Lubrication on the latch pivot helps smooth operation. Make sure linkage moves. You reinstall the actuator and reconnect rods exactly as removed, securing bolts snugly. Do not over-torque plastic mounting points. Once wired, reconnect the battery negative and test lock function from the interior switch, key, and remote to confirm proper electrical and mechanical operation. If it binds, check for misaligned rods or a pinched vapor barrier. Freeing the linkage usually resolves it. After verified operation, reseal the vapor barrier, reinstall the door panel, and perform one last lock cycle test to ensure everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.